How nice is this space? An important part of the renovation of this home was to create a better connection from inside to outside, which in the original home was sadly lacking. This space, particularly here, was quite a wasted space, unwanted. The front door was on the side and there was two large windows here. Creating a connection was important. The first thing was to move the front door and face it to the street, and that created that beautiful entry foyer, which now frames this space. As far as creating a connection here, well, we changed those two large windows into a fixed panel and sliding glass door. I knew that I wanted to install a deck, being the most practical and cost-effective way to create that level platform to walk from inside to outside. But what material should we use? I didn't want a product that was going to require lots of maintenance. The harsh Australian sun rises on that side, it floods this space with beautiful morning sun, and then in summer it bakes in here until it disappears onto the other side of the house. We knew if we chose a timber product that I'd be staining and looking after it every 12 to 18 months. But of course I wanted that beautiful look of a timber product, and ModWood was the perfect solution for a few important reasons. It's firstly Australian owned and Australian made, which I think is important when we're deciding what to use in our own homes, whether we're rebuilding or renovating. It's also a sustainable product. It's actually made using a wood pulp, a byproduct from the timber industry, and that's mixed with a plastic product, actually reusing milk bottles to create this beautiful product that's just so easy to maintain. The timber image, well, that gives me that look that I was after, and it's got a beautiful textured grain. So we've got a nice grip on there that's also very easy to maintain. We can just broom it or hose it. As far as the color, well, I looked of course at the color palette of the house. I knew that I was going to paint the walls white and have the dark window frames. And the new blue gum roof, well, that actually allowed me to pick a color that complements it so well, being a mid-tone gray. And whilst they don't actually sit next to each other, now the fences, which are also in the same color, have been installed. You can just see how beautifully this place flows. The installation was of course an important consideration. Now for the size of the deck that we have here, it was the perfect choice because these beautiful long lines means that I don't have any joins. The trades loved the installation because it was so simple. It was a matter of building the timber platform and then screwing in the black plastic track, and then the board simply clicked into place. It was that easy. They also wrapped around our stairs, allowing us to connect now with this slightly lower level. We now have a really nice place to connect, to walk outside, to be able to utilize this space as a destination, to spend time with our family or for entertaining. And because it's a great product, it's easy to maintain and enjoy for years to come. I just love this place.